Hello, in this demo, I'm going to be teaching you how to add page numbers to the parent page, create page numbers and paragraph styles, align your pages to the spine, the page numbers to the spine, and changing the page numbering and where it starts. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the parent page. I'm going to create a text box for my page number, and then I'm going to increase the size so you can see it. I'm going to go to type, insert special character, marker, current page number. This is now aligned in an area that I don't want it to be aligned to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to paragraph, click on align right, and what I want to also have it do is align to the bottom. To change that, I would go to Object, Text Frame Options, and I am going to align it to the bottom. And press OK. I'm going to add this to the other side of the page, but it is not going to be aligned where I want it to. So I'm going to go up to paragraphs again and align left. And in the future, if I wanted to change the size or the color of my page numbers, what I want to do is create a paragraph style. So I'm going to go to New, Paragraph Style. I'm going to call this Page Numbers. And I'm going to assign this one also a paragraph, the same paragraph style. But what happens is it actually ends up going to the opposite side. I don't want it to be on that side, but I want it to have the page number paragraph style. So in order to get it to align to where I want it to, I double click on the paragraph style to get into the options. I go to indents and spacing, and I am going to align it away from the spine. So it will automatically change it to whatever side it's on to align with the spine. As you can see, it switches back and forth. So that comes in very handy when you want it on both sides and you want to have a paragraph style assigned to it. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to go about changing the numbers up on your pages. So as you can see, this is assigned the correct page numbering for each page. Well, what happens if I want this to be a title page and I don't want it to start on 1? There's two ways to go about this. If you just want it to start on page 2 down here and not have a number on this page, you can just pull down the none parent page and it'll get rid of that page number. I'm going to undo that. But what happens if you want this page to be page 1? Well, in order to do that, you go to the page, right click on it, and you have to turn off these two things here. Allow document pages to shuffle and allow selected spreads to shuffle. So I'm going to unclick both of those. And then I'm going to go back and right click again and go to numbering and section options. And I'm going to say start page numbering at 1. It's going to say this is a problem, but you're going to click OK anyway. So now this is started at page 1 and then 2, but up here we still have a 1. And the way to get rid of that is to just pull this none down onto this page. So now I have no page number on this one, and my page numbers has started at page 1, but actually on page 2, so that you can have a title page and your pages can start on 1. Some books will have this assumed to be 1, and then this page is page 2, or some actually start this way with this starting with 1. It's up to you how you want to create your document.